This room turned out cute, guys. Super cute. Low-key wish this was our bedroom. What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to another video, but first want to go over today's sponsor, which is PetSmart.
PetSmart book.
Booker, it's PetSmart. So thank you, PetSmart, for sponsoring this portion of today's video.
Booker just turned 1 a couple of months ago, so we've had a whole year of the puppy phase, and since our last dog, he was like 8 years, 8 years old, and it's been a long time since we've done the whole puppy
phase
stuff again. Yes, so PetSmart, if you get a new dog or a puppy, they literally have everything that you could need.
And they're there to guide you through the process of picking out the right food. So the food we always go with when we get a puppy, we did it with Booker, we did it with Noah, our last dog. We start them off with Purina Pro Plan. Our vet recommended it to us with Noah, and then our new vet here in Nashville recommended it to us when we got Booker. So it's a really good puppy food. It's important to feed your puppy food.
Yes.
Because there's different formulas for different life stages throughout their life.
Yes, you have puppy food, adult food, senior, so you want to make sure you're feeding the dog based on like where their age is. Yeah. Puppy food specifically, the Pro Plan has a higher calorie percentage for puppies, so they're growing really fast. They need more calories, more protein to make sure they're developing.
It's good for a lot of things like the puppy food. So like the formula, it has ingredients to support joints and cartilage. It's higher calories, higher protein, just helping them develop when they're at a young age and have a lot of energy.
Totally.
So PetSmart not only has food, as you know, it has like whatever you might need to welcome your new puppy and your dog into your household and just keep them happy throughout their life stages, whether that's as the puppy stage, adult stage, or more of a senior citizen age. But yeah, so visit PetSmart or PetSmart.com today for the many anythings PetSmart has for your new dog or puppy. We actually include a link down in the description box if you want to shop now or order online through DoorDash, which is same day delivery.
Yeah.
But thank you again to PetSmart for sponsoring that portion of today's video.
And now let's hop into the guest bedroom tour.
Let's do it.
Hey, Crazy. Around the bed together. What are we doing? Crazy. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Hey now. Hey now. What are you doing?
You're looking mighty gorgeous today. Absolutely be breathtaking.
Okay. Here we are up in the room. It looks so cute. It's cozy, huh?
It does.
It looks really good.
Satisfied with how it turned out.
Should we start from the beginning and show them the little suite and everything?
Yeah.
Why not? Okay.
Take it from there.
Welcome to our guest, like, suite, kind of. It's upstairs in our house, and it's kind of like a second primary bedroom. It's pretty big, but it's perfect for in-laws. When we've had family over with kids, it's pretty spacious, and it's really fun little guest suite, so we wanted to show to you guys.
It's like an in-law unit guest suite.
Yeah, it's super cute. Right when you walk in, you've got some little cubbies and this little locker area. Honestly, we should put some baskets here and stuff. It's not really like styled, but it's cute. Little dump area. Then we've got a little bathroom in here. Super pretty vanity. I'm pretty sure this is from Restoration Hardware. I don't know, it was here when we moved in. And yeah, it's nice marble, shower, toilet, all in the bedroom, which is really nice.
We still have some like art we could hang right here.
Definitely.
But main focus has been the bedroom.
Yeah.
But we can come into the bathroom
and finish
later,
it up.
right, buddy?
Right, buddy?
And the penny towels are really cute. Everyone always likes these, and they're beige. They're nice. I like those. And then just down here, we've got a little nook area. We have this little vintage mirror Hunter and I found just for the ladies for getting ready, doing your makeup. We would probably slide a stool under here or something, but again, haven't gotten there yet. And then you come into the beautiful guest suite, and it's super big. Right when you walk in the bedroom, we thought it would be really fun to do like an antique chest here. It's a pretty big wall. We were like, we could do like a full-length mirror, whatever. But we found this piece at an antique store in Franklin, and we loved it. We love like the dark wood. It's from the 1800s. It's super pretty and nice and high, so it really fills out this wall. This art is actually from Home Goods. It was in our last house in Texas. And then we have a lamp, some flowers, just, we're always switching out the little decor on here, but people can throw their stuff, purse, whatever. And then this mirror is from Anthropologie, also in our last house, and it's a perfect little floor length mirror for a little fit check before you go down for dinner. So the main space of the bedroom is this canopy bed, which was kind of like the all-star piece for this bedroom. We knew when we saw this room we wanted to do a canopy bed, so we got this guy from Restoration Hardware, and it's actually pretty hard to find canopy beds that are tall enough, and this was like one of the only ones that had the height that we needed.
A couple of the other ones we liked just weren't tall enough because these ceilings are pretty tall.
Yes.
So we needed to go something that was 9 feet.
And I feel like this was the prettiest, perfect choice for this room. And we've done lots of layers on the bedding. The more layers, the better, I think. Just super neutral. And a little piece of antique art that is from one of our favorite local antique shops. In front of the bed, we also found this vintage ottoman. We just thought it was really cute. It just felt very Nashville, I feel like, with the stars and the material, and we kind of wanted to think of that as the experience for like when guests came into town. Nashville is kind of like a really well-known city, and we wanted it to feel like Nashville when they came in the room, right? So we thought that was perfect. A couple books stacked on top. It's really cute.
We were really happy and excited to use a circle ottoman versus something that's more like rectangular or square, just to change up like all of the dimensions in here. Everything is pretty squared off. We wanted something that would kind of change it up a little bit.
I think that's a great idea, and it just adds more variety, and you know, so you're not just boxy everywhere. That can look a little flat. The nightstands that we have are actually from Pottery Barn, and we wanted to kind of mix the wood tones in here and just makes it look a little bit more collected and less like off the shelf, if that makes sense.
Less stale.
Less stale, exactly. It just like feels more layered. So there's dark wood here, but I think the light wood looks nice next to it, and they're nice and big. Again, I feel like everything in this room needed to be a little bit bigger because the ceilings are really high, so we had smaller nightstands in here before, but we knew they had to be bigger. So these are basically, I think, dressers, like small dressers.
Yeah, the nightstands we had in here before, they were the same width, but the height was different, and so we needed something a little bit taller to fill that wall space a little bit more alongside the bed, since the bed was tall.
The scale looks better. These lamps we found at Mitchell Gold Bob Williams, 2 of them, 1 on each side. And this rug is a vintage rug from a local rug shop, Nashville Fine Rugs. It's a really good rug place. We got a lot of our vintage rugs in the house from there. They have great rugs. Omid owns the shop, and he's super nice. Okay, so in front of the bed, this space was like a little bit awkward, and we weren't sure what to do with it. We were like, should we do a mirror, dresser, like, and what should we do? So we actually used to have this couch in our living room, and we got new couches. So we brought this one up here, and it fits perfectly. It's the Restoration Hardware slope arm couch, and this is the Perennials performance fabric, which is really durable and realistic if you have kids, pets, whatever.
We got it for Booker.
And we got it for Booker. He loves it. And this actually vintage textile my mom got for you for one of your birthdays, I think, or something.
For my birthday.
Yeah, and we just thought it was cute. I love putting vintage blankets or textiles behind couches. Like, it instantly adds like a next level, just looks like cool and layered and less like basic. And pillows are from Etsy. So this little lamp is cute too. And then just on this side of the couch, we have like a little side table. This is like this little stump we got from the Mercantile in Texas. It's just like a, you know, vintage piece, I guess. But we get a lot of questions on that piece. It's super cute. We've used it as a side table in a lot of different areas. But
yeah.
Okay, and then over here was another little nook, and we were like, okay, we do like a table, like a coffee area with chairs or whatever. We love these boucle chairs just to introduce like another fabric or like texture than the couch and the bed. Just, again, choosing a different material. These are from CB2, and we love them. We had them in our living room for a while, and we were like, they belong in that room. They look so good there. They have to go up there. No, we love them. The rug is from one of our favorite vintage stores here in Nashville, Patina & Co. Just a really cute little one.
And then we have artwork from someone who's become a friend of ours and local artist here in Nashville named Chris Coleman.
Yeah.
I actually met him in one of our first Nashville vlogs when we were coming here like 3 or 4 years ago for our anniversary. And he did some art for us specifically then. And these are some of the pieces we got from him at that time, 4 years ago.
Really cool.
And we had them framed by a local framer that's down the street from us, works out of his house. And we thought it would go perfectly on either side of the window.
Super fun.
Kind of framing this space a little bit.
Yeah. And then this little special bookshelf, which we just thought added like a really cozy element to this area because it felt a little tall and bare without it. It's just a little vintage bookshelf, and we got this at Patina & Co. as well. It's like our favorite vintage store here in Nashville. So if you're local, you should go in and check them out. They've got really good stuff, good prices.
It also turned this space into like a little, more of like a reading nook in a way.
It's super cute and cozy, I feel like.
You looking out the window, buddy? Oh, you got a scratch?
What? I feel like it turned out really cute. It was a process though. We've lived in this house for a year and a half, and it took us up until now to get it just right. It was a lot of trial and error. Hunter and I pulled so much furniture up here, and then we would like push it back out. We were like, that's not right, and it took a long time to get it right. And
Absolutely.
There's so many ways you could have done it, you know.
And there's little special details we put on the nightstands and throughout the room when we have guests in town, like little affirmation cards on each nightstand or a little writing notepad. I think we have them stashed up here.
Yeah.
These like little notes that we put up there. So if they're like have a thought in the middle of the night or have a dream they want to write down, they can do so.
Dreams for sure. Oh, I thought I'd also mention, because I always get questions on these pillows. These big ones are from Restoration Hardware. They're King Lounger pillows. Really great. And then we obviously have Brooklinen sheets on, because we have Brooklinen sheets on every bed in the house. And the bedding set is from Room and Board, but how fun are these? That they were there too. Aren't these cool? And they kind of drape down to the side.
They're intentionally supposed to be bigger than the pillow. Kind of
like
slumped over
very,
like that.
Earthy. I like it.
The bedding looks good.
Yeah.
Juge is like great at bedding.
Thanks, babe. I love a textile, like a fabric. Love it.
No, I like the colors and like the different
neutral.
variety.
Yeah.
And it feels very like wine country with all the different textures.
I think too, like what I noticed is that sometimes with like patterns, like these patterns work next to each other because this one's like bigger scale, and then the carpet is like smaller. But sometimes if you have too many small patterns, it can start to look really busy. So you just have to play around with it. But the bedding's nice and sleek. Okay.
That video was short and sweet, you guys, but hope you enjoyed. I know y'all have been anticipating that video for a while and wanting to see the details of the guest bedroom.
We like how it turned out.
Yeah, we love it.
Yeah, we love it. And in person, it's even better.
We feel like the video doesn't do it justice. Like, it is so cozy in here, and we love everything about it. There's like a few things we would add probably, but we wouldn't change much.
Totally.
Just like maybe a few additions, like different lights that we would maybe bring in here and stuff like that. But
it's pretty cute for now.
Yeah.
It's always a work in progress, the whole house, but we'll link as many things as we can down below. A lot of antiques, obviously, but anything new, we will link.
So if y'all have any questions in regards to any of the items, let us know in the comment section. Let us know what you think.
Yes. And we'll see you soon. What room do you want us to tour next?
Yeah, we should do like a whole
house tour.
A whole house series.
I think we're getting close.
We should, yeah.
Maybe we should
do a house tour versus room by room.
I'd like that.
Let's do that. I might do my office separately.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for that to be done.
It's a special one.
But anyways.
All right. Love you guys. See you soon.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.